Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our brand new units. This is a 2019 RX350 executive package in the Satin Cashmere finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak comes with an automatic enrollment into a Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features on this vehicle include L-shaped premium LED headlamps, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lamps, front and rear park assist sensors, headlamp washers, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with push start ignition, driver's seat memory seating, power folding and auto dimming side mirrors, power adjustable front seats, automatic high beams, power rear liftgate, heads up display, heated steering wheel, panoramic view monitor, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free audio controls, hands-free calling, lane keeping assist with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with pre-collision system, 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation, Bluetooth audio and backup camera, Mark Levinson 15-speaker premium audio system, dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, electronic parking brake, drive mode select, center locking differential, traction control, panoramic sunroof, Parchment interior, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more about this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.